Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the unveiling of the Boxy Charm subscription for August 2018. So the majority of the products that I have on my face I've either received from Boxy Charm or I received in this month. So I'm going to do a little bit of a look towards the end, but I mostly want to focus on talking about the products this time. If you're interested in watching my review and what I think about each product and how it worked for me when creating this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first product I want to talk about is going to be the BECCA Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector Primer. This isn't actually the size, it's a much bigger size, but I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my Instagram when I hit 1,000 followers. So you guys make sure to go ahead and keep an eye out for that. And if you aren't following on my social media or any of my social medias, all my social media handles are below. That was a lot of times I said social media. Anyways, so this is just a little sample that I had received in one of my other subscription things. It was the Sephora Play one, and so I've tried this before. I've actually experimented a few times with this because I didn't have the best experience when I was trying this out the first time. It just, I don't know, it like made my foundation break up. It just wasn't, it was moving around my foundation, so I switched from a brush to a beauty blender, but it was just kind of like too late because it just made my foundation dry out quicker. So where usually I take the time to blend everything out, it just took a minute. So the second time around that I tried it, I thought, okay, well, this is BECCA. I have the BECCA foundation, so maybe it works best with BECCA. Okay, so I tried it out. I had better luck with it because my makeup did last throughout the day and it looked flawless, but I realized that it is not something that you can do with a brush unless you literally take the time to do like little sections of your face at a time, because I really had a hard time just blending it out with a brush. So this time around, this is the third time now that I'm applying it, and I actually use BECCA concealer, BECCA primer, and BECCA foundation, and so far, I mean, I'm looking at my face and you know, I do crease up here, so I'm already creasing up. I haven't had this foundation on for that long, maybe like 40 minutes now. So it is a little like creased up here, but you know, on the regular, like BECCA, this foundation, to be exact, it's the, hold on, the Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. It's really thick. So I love full coverage. I'm a full coverage queen, and I also like my dewiness to it. But it was weird because it was like full coverage, but it was also not matte. I looked a little shiny, and even now I look a little shinier here, but I think it's just because of the lighting. But my overall thought on this primer is that it doesn't work for me with other foundations, but it works best if I use the BECCA foundation, BECCA concealer, and I use a wet beauty blender. And set. Make sure you set your face, because I cannot express enough that all the other times I didn't really set my face like that, and as much as this is thick and full coverage for my type of skin, it just makes me like break out and just be oily. So it's something that I really had to work with and find the best way, and so far this seems to be the best. Now the second product that I want to talk about is this NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Okay, I used this a few days ago when I received my subscription, and I absolutely loved it. Like, I don't know. And I absolutely loved it. I just put some oil on that, and then just sort of rub it on my cuticles. It has made my cuticles a lot softer, and I usually give myself my own manicures. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me giving myself a manicure or giving you guys tips. I used to be like licensed in that and work in that when I was in Venezuela. But anyways, so this I really like. It has a very vanilla-y smell, but not really vanilla, but just has a really nice smell. I quite like it actually. So this is something I'm definitely excited about to keep using in my routine because I know that my cuticles are absolutely going to benefit from it. Next product is the Bang Beauty Gel Eyeliner. And it is the chocolate gel eyeliner. So I actually used this today. I actually had forgotten that this was in my box. So last minute, I just decided to give myself some faux freckles. And I think it kind of tied the look together because the eyes and the lips, it was just a little much. So I think this sort of gave it like a fun little balance. I like it. I'm gonna have to play around with this because I don't know if this is a shade that's too light for me for the freckles. Maybe not, but it's just something I'm gonna have to play with. However, the formula, it's really, really creamy. I'm actually gonna take the chance to swatch it for you guys. See, it's just thick, but it's not waxy, and it's just wonderful. And to be honest, I think this would be something that would blend really well, and it really just looks like milk chocolate color, so it's beautiful. Next product I want to talk about is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Clean Gold Eye Masks. Now, I used these while I was putting on my eyeshadow, and let me tell you something. It felt amazing. It was refreshing. It was cooling. It just felt like it really was seeping into my skin, whatever serum that was. And not to mention the fact that it just made me feel rich and luxurious, because you know, you look at yourself in the mirror with these like gold masks and you're like, ooh, I'm so fancy with my gold mask. So I really like this. This is something that I truly, truly like. So the next item is the SMASHBOX Be Legendary Liquid Metal in the shade Foiled Brat. I mean, I've been told I'm a brat, so I don't see why Boxy Charm wouldn't send me a shade like this. Look at me just talking shit. Anyways, this is actually ranging from anywhere from $21 to $24. Now, the way that this month was set up, and the way that they're actually setting it up now, is that they're giving people like options, and I'm not too sure I like that, only because in my opinion, if I'm paying for something that is supposed to be received equally by everybody, why all of a sudden now I have to hope and pray that I get the item that I want, and I can't just like automatically know that I'm gonna get this every month. It's like they give you 5 different SMASHBOX lip products, and you know, yes, I like these and I love the color. I love the creaminess of the formula. It's not drying. I have this in red, I have this in blue, I have this in I have it in some like coppery color. Like I have, you know, a few of these, but I could have just done without this one. You know, like I could have done with maybe, I don't know, I'm like into nudes lately, but I could have done with something else, or one of the other ones, like a lipstick or something. I don't know. I'm not liking the fact that now you have to hope and pray that you get exactly what you want, because that's just weird. Now, to get to the last product. To get the pricing out of the way, this product is $19. Now, this product is the Lovelies Party Animal eyeshadow palette. And it looks just like this. Has her logo, her brand, the name. It's got a very decent sized mirror, and the shades are just beautiful, very pigmented. I love that beautiful pink and how it sparkles, the orange, the purples, and they were wonderful. So, the way that Laura released these, it was actually a duo sort of thing. And if you got the duo, it would be at a, very cost friendly, because it just would be better than paying for 2 palettes separate. I got both palettes as a birthday gift from my girlfriend. I got it, or she got it for me, without knowing that Laura Lee's palette the day after would be announced to be in Boxy Charm. Now, while I want to talk about the bigger issue at hand, just gonna get the review of the product out of the way first. So I love the shades. I think next time I would use a different primer. I use a Pure Cosmetics primer, and I'm not sure for the, it's great pigment, you guys, you could see, and it's beautiful, and I love it, but I just think I could do a better job with the pigment if I had chosen maybe concealer and then packed on the blues and stuff beforehand. I just love the colors. I love the palette. It's fun. It's quirky. I thought I was gonna have a harder time creating looks, but I actually was able. This is the 3rd look I've created with her palette, and I've used every shade in her palette. So, it's a really good palette, and it's cute and it's fun. And people have been asking Boxy Charm to please release palettes that have a lot more color. So, Boxy Charm did exactly what everybody asked. Now, little did Boxy Charm know that old tweets would resurface that would make Laura Lee seem something that she may or she may not be. I don't know. Based on the tweets I've seen, in my personal opinion, I mean, so the way that situation is being handled by Laura Lee for a brand that's just starting out, a brand that's just being promoted by this great, company that's also, in a sense, starting out. I think Boxy Charm did great by releasing their statement stating that, they had nothing to do with this, they don't have a part in this. They, couldn't do all of the due diligence to know that Laura Lee had posted such tweets years ago. But while he did a great job, the CEO, and just, it's been handled great by them, in my opinion, Laura Lee has not handled it the best way possible. I think that she really needs to get a better PR team, because the fact that they let her issue an apology video, which I'm going to link down below, is just insane to me. I would never let my client post a video where she looks ridiculous. She doesn't look like she means it. She just handled the situation really poorly. So while I'm still going to use her products, and I'm still going to tag her in pictures that I post using her products, she's definitely lost me as a fan, she's lost me as a follower, and she sort of just lost my respect. Because when you're in the beauty world, I understand we all make mistakes. Hell, you know what? I'm sure I make comments here and there that I'm, at some point could have just thought were okay, and maybe looking back now, actually now looking back at them, I know that they're wrong, and we can never really fully be careful with what we say. Sometimes we just blurt things out based on the culture, our surroundings, and just plain out because we think we whatever. But I just think that what really shows your maturity and your level of growth in a situation is the way that you handle it. And although we also make mistakes with how we handle things, in my personal opinion, for somebody that has a PR team, no matter how much you're trying to salvage the situation and seem genuine and personal with your fans and audience, I do not think that she issued out an apology that was credible, and she's just lost my respect. So, you know, I could have gotten over the tweets, I could have been understanding, swept it under the rug, and kept it moving. But that apology is unacceptable. Unacceptable. So basically, you know, out of all the products this month, I cannot really complain about any of the products because I liked and I will continue to use all of them. I'm just, like I said, I'm not really liking the whole fact that you have to just hope and pray to get the item that you want. And other than that, you know, it's unfortunate that Boxy Charm had to take such a quote-unquote hit over the fact that they chose a product from somebody that's not doing the best right now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for just continuing to follow me and support me. And I know that right now it's not like a lot of you, but to me it's just not about the quantity of people or like that are watching your videos. It's more about the quality of videos that I'm putting out, and I just want to make sure that I feel happy about what I'm putting out for my viewers, because you never know. One minute you are down here and then you're at the top, so I could blow up, and the next minute I'm just plummeting down. So like, I just want to make sure that my best work is out there. Again, and I hope you guys are subscribed, and if you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications if you'd like to know when I post my next videos. Comment, let me know what you liked about this video, let me know what you think about this drama and everything, and if you think I should do a video talking about everything, like from Jeffrey down to Gabriel to Nikita to everything I know. Stay blessed, and hope you guys are smiling wherever you are.